Research shows that approximately 70% of how much we weigh is passed down to us by our parents. It's in our genes. Some people are genetically vulnerable to weight gain. Their brains are more sensitive to food, and their bodies are more efficient at retaining calories. Obesity is a complex condition, but the management of it can be addressed with the support of a trained healthcare provider. We all inherit a unique 3-layer appetite system. This is where our weight gets determined and regulated. Let's take a closer look. First, there's the gatekeeper, the lowest layer, also known as the homeostatic system. The gatekeeper is very sensitive to levels of leptin, a hormone produced by the body's fat cells that helps the brain regulate and maintain body weight. High levels of leptin signal to the brain that we are full. So when we lose weight and leptin levels drop, this kicks the gatekeeper into action to find more food by alerting the next layer in our appetite system, the go-getter. The go-getter is what causes us to crave food. Each person's go-getter will generate a different intensity of wanting. The go-getter learns to associate calorie-dense, quick-energy food with certain cues in the environment. All of this happens in the non-conscious part of the brain. The go-getter doesn't make any eating decisions, but signals their craving up to the third and final layer. The sleepy executive is the potential hero of this story. They could choose to ignore or manage the signals from the gatekeeper and the go-getter and make decisions that are best for the future. Unfortunately, the sleepy executive has a lot to do and is often, naturally, asleep. Often food and drink decisions are made on autopilot, with automatic thoughts such as, "It's been a long day and I deserve this," or "I'm off track anyway, so what difference does it make?" Obesity is a treatable condition, influenced by the brain, genetics, and environmental factors. Treating obesity can be done in 3 ways: behavioral therapy, medication, and surgery. Behavioral therapy focuses on developing skills to keep the sleepy executive as awake as possible for when key food decisions are being made. Medication and surgery dilute the signals between the gatekeeper and the go-getter, allowing for weight management. Obesity can be treated with safe and effective approaches. So now you know, what will you do differently?